Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today, I will show you how to receive text messages on two different phones. And here's how it is done. Number 1. iMessage, iPhones only. Sign in to the same Apple ID on both iPhones. Go to Settings, Messages, Send and Receive. Make sure the same number and email are selected on both. Number 2. Google Voice. Free, US only. Get a Google Voice number at voice.google.com. Install the app on both phones and sign in with the same account. You will get messages on both devices instantly. 3. SMS forwarding apps, Android. Install an app like MightyText or SMS Forwarder on your main phone. Set it to forward messages to the second phone. 4. Carrier services. Some carriers offer duplicate SIMs or SMS forwarding. Contact your provider for setup. May cost extra. Pick the method that fits your setup best. Done. Now both phones can get the same text. And that is everything you need to know on how to receive text messages on two different phones. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.